Steroids. Classification. And esterone structure is very important. It doesn't have color. This is with numbering.
It has color.
Numbering is important. Structure is important. Okay. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, exactly like cholesterol. 11, 12, 13, 15. Good?
What does Q, Z, R?
There are different branch.
Can I just...
R and Q could be methyl, Z could be hydrogen.
I'm really cold. I was just doing my... I'm
And
cold as
see,
well.
close the doors. Close the doors to be a little bit good. Another thing that's important that we have A ring, B ring, C ring, D ring.
Always write that?
4 ring. 4 ring. A, B, C, D.
We have to write that, yeah?
Yes. We have A ring, B ring, C ring, D ring. Classification. Esterol or zooesterol as a cholesterol and phytoesterol and mycoesterol. Steroid vitamin, vitamin D, corticosteroid, cardiac glycosid, like esterofantin, digoxin, digitoxin, steroid alkaloid, like solanidine, tomatidine. Tomatidine is in the tomato. Okay, they are the different steroid alkaloid. Different classification. Now,
What was important there?
no, nothing. Zooesterol, this one, the esterol, all means alcohol. Zooesterol. No, not important. Not. It's coming here. Occurrence in the tissue of the vertebrae. The main esterol is cholesterol. That's important. The main esterol is cholesterol. Chol means bile, abundant in adrenal, 10%. Isolation from the unsupported. Okay, that's nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. No, comes here.
Don't underline when there's nothing important.
The gallstone containing cholesterol. This is important information.
100%.
No. This is 10%.
What
Okay.
is this?
Gallstone.
Gallstone.
Gallstone. Gallstone.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
No problem. Side
Cute.
group.
No, here it's cute.
I told you that this is look like this cholesterol. Do you remember? No.
Yeah,
Another thing that's
100%.
very important. 200. This is 200. Okay. No, that's another thing that's important here. The chiral carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8
So
chirality.
we can have 16
Yes.
isomers.
No, 2 to the power 8 stereoisomer. Cholesterol is just one of the isomer. Understand?
Yeah.
How many different? Relative configuration. What does it mean relative? Up, down, on C10. Where is the C10? Here. C10. See this C10? Dash hydrogen? No. Here. Here is a carbon 19 is on the carbon 10 is reference point for the stereochemical designation. The ring system is approximately planar. No.
But what are we gonna draw the structure of cholesterol?
And indicate the chirality and
Numbering.
Yeah, numbering. This such like this.
But there's no numbering. Numbered. Sweetheart.
What?
Numbered.
That you know it from the first of the lecture.
Okay.
It's written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10.
This one.
Again, this.
Yeah,
This.
now I remember.
No. What does it mean? Cisdecalin, transdecalin. Decalin means 10 carbon. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Cisdecalin is where they are same branch on this position.
Trans,
This
they're
and this
different.
and
But it's not important. Yeah.
This is very important. Reduction of cholesterol. This is 400%. Okay, it's coming on the exam. It's coming until now 3 times. And what should you? This is cholesterol plus hydrogen is reduction. And what's happened? What is the difference between this structure and that? See, here is a double bond.
Yeah. No.
There is no any double bond. It's
Saturation.
saturated. Good. And what's the difference between this and this?
Double bond and...
It's written here. It's a 5 alpha cholesterol, 3 beta all, but it's a 5 beta cholesterol. 5 alpha, 5 beta. You see, this is dash. This is full. Again, here on the carbon number 5, I would like to draw it a little bit bigger. Carbon number 5 is dash OH. This is a full OH. Understand? 5 beta is above 5 alpha. Cholestanol, coprostanol. Again, cholestanol, coprostanol. 99% of students forget these two names and structure also, and they forget alpha beta. Okay, no. Do you remember I told you the esteron, A ring, B ring, C ring is important? Why? It's written here. The is ABTR. ABTR, it means A ring and B ring are trans here. Why? Because CH3 is above, H is down. B and C are trans. B and C are trans. Why? H is dash, H is full.
Dash means it's above?
Dash means down.
Down.
Below the paper, and the full line means above the paper. C and D are trans. Why the C and D are trans? Again, H is dash, methyl is above. Here, A and B are cis. Why? Is full. A and B are cis.
But it looks like they wouldn't be dashes.
It's dash. It's very bad here because that's so small. If you go to read the lecture, you see that they are trans. Actually, here, all of the cycle in the cholestanol, all of them are trans.
And this one is also dash, or
Yes.
is it?
Yes, that's dash. I magnify that. Here, A and B are cis, the other one is trans. Now, could you please explain for me why B and C are trans here, Sabina?
Because they're both line.
Could you please tell why they are trans?
A, B, C, D.
No, where is the? You see, this is A,
These two are
is B, is C, is D. Why B and C are trans? Because this is dash, this is full. Opposite direction.
Yeah.
Why C and D are trans? This is full, this is dash. Understand it?
Yeah. This is dash and this is dash, yeah?
Yeah, cholesterol is partly excreted in the form of esterol, cholestanol, and coprostanol from the body. If the reduction doesn't happen, the cholesterol accumulated and caused the gallstone.
If the
Understand?
reduction doesn't
Because
happen...
the excretion is in these two forms. If doesn't happen this reduction, it's accumulate a lot, cause the stone.
What are they going to ask in the exam?
Write the reduction of cholesterol with explanation. This page is 400%. Very important. Actually, from this lecture, that's the most important question. Because you should also draw the cholesterol here.
Yeah.
You shouldn't write. You should write draw this, draw that, exactly. A and B and C trans, since everything you should write and explain. Conformation of esterol. Conformation of cholesterol planar ring system, and you see they are like a chair. Not important. Now, the conformation of cholic acid and steroid. See, this one is linear here. This one is like this, and this is a cholic acid or coprostan skeleton. Coprostanol, coprostan. Why? What is the difference between this and this? It's written here, very long branch with with methyl, but very low branch with carboxylic acid. It comes from coprostanic acid. Forget it. Now, cholesterol, coprostan, androstan, and pregnan are different steroids. Again, the different steroids. Cholesterol, coprostan, androstan, pregnan. And this is a pregnan structure. That's a little bit 20% important. Okay? You see, that's very easy. Just 2 carbon is here, ethyl. Just exactly like that. Without OH, without double bond. Nothing special.
Pregnant also has 2 child.
Yeah, 2 child too. Yeah. It was a good one. No. Physical property of cholesterol is solid. The water solubility is very low. Plasma level, it's lipoprotein complex in kilomicron in very low density level and high density level, HDL, LDL, VLDL. In the lipoprotein, about 30% exists as free and 70% exists as an ester. In the bile, cholesterol is esterified only for 4%, and solubilization by phospholipid and salt happen because it's not soluble. If the cholesterol wants to be soluble, should be solubilized by the phospholipid and salt.
What is exam?
These are information. Bluish is important, okay? And 10% information. No. Cholesterol. is a Janusz phase molecule, the very property that makes useful.
Thanks.
I like when she does that.
It's written here, protein B100 is apolipoprotein that you learn it in biology. Biological rule of cholesterol, component of the membrane, precursor of the major class of steroid, for sure. That's the biological rule, always important. Squalene 2 and 3 epoxide, and this is the epoxide, but that way is not important. Biosynthesis of cholesterol, then squalene 2 and 3 epoxide produce lanosterol produce cholesterol. Now, what is the mycosterol? The other name is ergosterol. You see, the backbone is same, okay? But mycosterol is from yeast. It's a component of fungal membrane. Mycology.
That's what? How is the backbone the same?
Because it has 4 rings.
Okay.
It has double one. It has OH. It's a little bit similar to the human one. But why this is important? Ergosterol is a precursor of vitamin 2, perovitamin. Information is very much more important.
And
Information
the name,
is 30%. This is 5%.
And the names.
Yes. Myco means fungi. And just if we know that one is much more better, ergosterol. Now the vitamin D, you know vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin, DK. We have 2 types of vitamin D2, vitamin D3. Deficiency in childhood causes ricket. That's very, very important. Okay, and deficiency in adult cause osteomalacia. And ricket, the foot is like a parenthesis. Parenthesis
Like
foot.
the
The
O
other
and
guy
X.
doesn't have parentheses.
What?
This is like inside.
The O and X.
It's opposite or it's happens.
Yeah, O and X.
What we said or parenthesis foot.
It's just
This is always the other one is also parenthesis,
Wait,
but
this
the
is called?
opposite parenthesis.
we just call it S and O and X.
X foot?
Yeah, X and O. Because it's
don't
like
know.
an O and like an X.
No, this is this is a
Look,
parenthesis. One parenthesis, and this is another parenthesis.
No, look, it looks like
Other
an O and an X.
Yeah, I know, but the general medical terminology is parenthesis.
Oh.
Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and such like this. I know what we said, okay? Just I said the terminology. Occurrence of vitamin D3 is cholecalciferol. What? Cholecalciferol. It found in the fish liver oil or cod liver.
Ew, that's what they were drinking, like when they were younger.
Yes.
Who are drinking that?
Eating. The-
Isn't it on the spoon and they have to eat? And it's really bitter and disgusting.
exactly.
What?
The vitamin D3, the liver of the oil, the liver of the fish, and the name of that fish is a cod liver. Biosan of vitamin D3 from 7-dehydrocholesterol.
Have you seen what's it called? Peter Pan, the movie. They eat it in the beginning when he's coming to the. Oh my god! I know this movie too good. Actually. Anyway, follow her.
No. Biosan of vitamin D3. What's happened? The sun comes to your skin. The sun comes to your skin. The skin produces 7-dehydrocholesterol. Then it's go to the liver. Perovitamin D3. Then provide the vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol, and then finally it will be calcitriol. Triol means 3OH. 1OH, 2OH, 3OH. Triol. Okay?
What is the important here?
Nothing. No, just don't
Yeah,
remove
like-
it. Maybe it comings. Okay, maybe for example this is 1% important. No.
I will not learn that. 1%.
D2 vitamin or ergocalciferol. The name is important. The structure, maybe they gave you this one and said, what is this? You should say vitamin D2.
Okay,
It means
repetition.
this
Why doesn't
distinguish.
this have a bracket here?
Where?
Why is this open?
It's open. This is a methylene. Double bond. Alkane.
Okay, why
No.
does it have two dots for this one?
Okay, double bond.
Okay.
No. Tell me where is the chirality? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 chiral carbon. Understand? 7 chiral carbon. Bile acid. Biosynthesis from cholesterol in the liver from C27 to C24. What does it mean? Cholesterol has 27 carbon. But the bile acid has a 24 carbon. One of the bile acid is colonic acid 5 beta. Why 5 beta? Where is the beta? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 beta. It means this is above.
So it's not dash,
It's full line.
Full.
And the cholic acid is 3 alpha. Come here. 3 alpha dash, 7 alpha dash, 12 alpha dash, 3 hydroxy, 5 beta. On the 5 is beta because this is 5 full one. 5 beta colonic acid. It means cholic acid is colonic acid, but on the position 3, 7. 7 is here. And 12 here has a 3 hydroxy extra. Cholic acid and colonic acid are 2 bile acid. How much they are important? About 80%.
just the structure.
And these are the most favored question for the second midterm, not for the final exam.
And what are they gonna ask?
They ask write the name of the bile acid, and also now we should distinguish the chirality.
No.
Chirality. What?
Yeah, but just write down name of the bile acids.
You should know bile acid name and can distinguish a structure.
They will give us the structure.
Yes, I'm sure they give it. Structure and
Chirality.
analyze chirality.
And not the numbering.
No, numbering always is important, and numbering. No, comes here. Chirality. Give me the orange.
This is orange.
No. Marker was here. Chirality. 1 chiral, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chirality. Good?
Yeah, make little stars next to it.
Am I lost someone? No. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sometimes on the exam the student forget one of them. I suggest you to memorize the number of the carbon. 11 chiral carbon.
And there are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chiral carbon. It was 7 chiral carbon.
Do we also have to know the full name?
I don't think so. No. Here. But I'm sure it was the question last year on the second midterm just because they sent me by Viber the question.
How can they always send you questions
They
during
are
the
so
midterm?
professional. They take a photo, they send it, I send them back, they check the phone and write everything.
How?
Bile acid. If they doesn't do it, they fail. If if the teacher understands, they also fail. There is anyway, just cheating can help them, you know.
And by the way, about the midterms, how is it like last year? 30% we have to get.
Yes.
So 60, and then
You go to the final exam. Conjugated bile acid means glycolic. Gly means glucose or glycerol, I don't know, or taurocholic acid. Secondary bile acid is mono and dihydroxy derivative of that. Physiological rule, emulsifying of fat. That's important. What is the physiological rule of bile acid? Emulsify fat. What does it mean, emulsify fat?
Emulsion.
Emulsifying. What does it mean, emulsifying?
So it makes
The fat
drops.
cannot absorb from the body. The fat cannot absorb from the body. The bile is coming, digest it, absorb it to the lymphoid system, lymph system, not the blood system, to the lymph system, and it's circulated. Now, female sex hormone. You see, it's written here. Here, A ring is aromatic. That's very important. on the esterone and estradiol. Why the name is diol? Because of the two ol. Do you get it? Estradiol, two ol.
Yeah.
Now, could you please give me the chirality?
Yeah, wait. Let me do it. Okay. So this one is chiral.
Yes.
This one is chiral. This one.
No more.
This one, isn't it?
No, that's double
double
bond.
bond.
Can you do it for this one, Sabina?
Yeah, this one.
No, this one double bond.
Oh,
It's
okay,
this one.
This one. This one.
And this.
This one.
4 chiral, 4 chiral. Give me please. 5 chiral carbon. Here, this one is 4 chiral carbon. Good. I'm really stuck. How many pages?
Don't ask. Too many.
I'm so fucking.
We can do it.
No,
What time
I
is
cannot
it?
read. I'm so tired.
What time is it?
I don't know.